In the online space, we've primarily been talking about Amazon or maybe Shopify or private e-commerce websites. But did you know that Walmart actually is double Amazon's size when you take into account both its combined physical and its e-commerce presence? Walmart is becoming a more serious contender. It's largely because Walmart joined the scene later because it didn't take e-commerce seriously before. That is kind of fighting that uphill battle now to become relevant in the online space. But there is no doubt that Walmart e-commerce is very much alive. In fact, Jungle Scout did a report that in Q3 of 2022, 43% of US consumers purchased something on the Walmart online platform, and the site gets around 429 million monthly visitors, and it's growing right now at about 12% year-over-year growth in sales. And to help accelerate that growth, Walmart created its affiliate program for content site owners to promote products to drive traffic to its site. So the question is the Walmart affiliate program right for you? Now, upfront, I think the Walmart platform is probably best for those who are either new to the space or looking to diversify, but we'll get into that in a little bit. So let's first start with the pros and cons of the Walmart affiliate program. First is the pros. When evaluating really any affiliate program, you want to take into account the platform's ease of use, the diversity of products, so the products that you can choose that have an affiliate program associated with them, the brand recognition of that platform, and of course, how much you as an affiliate partner will make through commission. So let's start actually with brand reputation. Brand reputation is important in the affiliate space because if you're taking your audience over to another site, they need to be able to trust in being able to not only send their payment information, but also that they'll receive their product. So brand reputation is very important in that sense, and Walmart comes with, unsurprisingly, a very strong brand reputation, or at least strong brand awareness. So you'll be spending less of your time, or you won't have to spend any time really, convincing your audience that they should or that it's safe for them to purchase on this website. Next is the wide range of products. Because of its brick and mortar presence all over the US, it's probably, I would call it the OG of the brick and mortar everything store. I know Amazon is considered that right now in the e-commerce realm, but due to its brick and mortar presence, just translating that over to its e-commerce presence, there are a vast number of products that you as a content site owner, you're very likely to find products that align with your niche and that your audience would be interested in purchasing. Next is an easy to use platform. So as an affiliate partner, you want to be able to ideally go onto the platform, be able to find where the affiliate program is, and be supported by that program to help you engage with your audience or market those products to your audience. So Walmart does have a very robust platform that supports its affiliate partners, and it comes with tools that content site owners can use in order to promote its program, like product offer links, banners, a WordPress plugin, a Chrome extension. And fourth is the smooth onboarding process. So certain affiliate programs might have strict requirements. You might have to have a pre-existing website with maybe a certain amount of monthly visitors or a specific reputation before you can then even consider monetizing your traffic through their affiliate program. Walmart doesn't have as stringent of requirements right now, probably because it really wants its affiliate partners to work with them to accelerate its growth and catch up. So that's very good news for you as a content site owner, because maybe you have a very new website that you don't qualify for on other affiliate programs, and you'd be able to get set up immediately with Walmart. Of course, you'll still have to go through the application process to confirm that, but there's a high chance that you will be able to start selling way sooner through Walmart than some of these other programs. And fifth is the long cookie window. So when your audience, they click onto your affiliate link and are directed to walmart.com, they'll be tracked for 3 days. So as long as they make a purchase within that 3-day period, you'll get the commission on that sale. Unlike Amazon, where you only have 24 hours for that person to make that purchase. So you have a greater chance of receiving commission for the traffic that you bring from your platform over to Walmart's site. All right, next let's talk about the Walmart affiliate program cons. Now, because Walmart's affiliate program is so accessible, that was a strength that it had, it also means that there are some cons connected with that, the first being the low commission rate. So you can work with private affiliate partners and potentially get up to something like even 60% affiliate commission. But with Walmart, you're receiving more like 4% commission, which can be similar to other sites, but it is on the lower end, possibly due to the types of products that are being sold or just the convenience and the ease of accessibility on the affiliate program. And speaking of accessibility, that also leads to con number 2, which are the low conversions. Now, because Walmart has such a vast physical presence, consumers they have the option to either visit a brick and mortar location to purchase and feel the product and just make sure that it's right for them, versus making that product via e-commerce where they don't necessarily have that option. So the result is that a lower percentage of the traffic that you drive tends to purchase through your affiliate link, or at least that's the case right now. And the last point is the long payout delays. When you make a sale through an affiliate program, you don't get paid out immediately. The window tends to be between 14 to 90 days, and Walmart tends to be on the longer side of that. It has a 60-day window at the end of the month. So what that means is when your audience, they purchase through your affiliate link, at the end of the month, that's when the 60-day countdown starts. So overall, I think the Walmart affiliate program is well suited for those who are looking to get started in affiliate marketing, especially because it's so accessible. It has a relatively smooth onboarding process, and you can just get started sooner than later. You can always work with other affiliate partners once you become more established, but this is a good way to see those early wins especially, and also just get some money going if you wanted to hire out for content production or just expand your team in some way. This could be your way of funding that. Another reason to consider the affiliate program is if you want to diversify affiliate partners. When you are over-reliant on one affiliate program, like the Amazon Associates program, you are essentially at risk for them either shutting down their relationship with you, or they can cross the board, change their commission structure. So if you're more diversified, you're just better protected if one of those affiliate partners does make some sort of change. And that's really important if you decide to sell your site in the future, because buyers do look at diversification amongst the different affiliate partners. And if you're in a position now, or if you get to the point where you're making about $1,000 in monthly net profit, then reach out to us, because you could be qualified to list your business for sale on the marketplace. Or if you don't want to reach out to us yet, we do have a free valuation calculator where you can enter your own figures. I'll leave a link to both of those below. And if you are interested in either building or growing a Shopify e-commerce store or some other sort of private e-commerce that's not on Amazon FBA, and you want to do that without paying for advertising, purely organic, then I highly recommend you click on this video here. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.